Can you think of an example of a solution? Ruafza, lemonade, but what else? A solution is a mixture of one or more substances dissolved evenly into another substance. In a solution, the substance present in a lesser quantity is called a solute, whereas the substance present in a larger quantity is called a solvent. So, what is the solute and solvent in the lemonade? Sugar and lemon juice are solutes, and water is the solvent. Well done. Solutes and solvents can exist in solid, liquid, or gaseous states. Similarly, solutions can also exist in these states of matter. There are three types of solutions: solutions of gases, solutions of liquids, solutions of solids. Let's look at some examples of these solutions. Gases can be mixed with other gases, liquids, and solids to make solutions. For example, air is a mixture of gases, 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen with traces of water vapor, carbon dioxide, argon, and various other components. Did you know fog is also a gaseous solution? Yes, because it's a mixture of air and water vapor. Even smoke is a solution of solid carbon particles with the air. In this solution, the solid particles are solute and the air is the solvent. Just like gases, liquids can also make solutions with liquids, solids, and gases. Let's look at their examples. In lemonade, lemon juice is mixed with water. This is a liquid-liquid solution. How is lemonade sweet? When you add sugar in your liquid solution of lemon juice and water, it makes a perfect lemonade, or a liquid solution with solid sugar as a solute. What about carbonated drinks like Pepsi? Carbon dioxide gas dissolves in water and is used in making carbonated drinks. So here carbon dioxide is the solute and water is the solvent. Finally, let's see examples of solutions of solid. Solutions of solid in solid are often used commercially. For example, pure gold is very soft and therefore cannot be used for making jewelry. Hence, copper is mixed with gold to make it harder. The chalk used to write on boards is made up of limestone. Limestone contains dissolved salts in water, such as sodium chloride. This is a liquid-solid solution. Nickel acts as a catalyst by absorbing hydrogen gas in various industrial processes, such as converting vegetable ghee into vegetable oil. This is a very commonly used example of gas-solid solution in the oil industry. So today we have learned that there are three different types of solutions that can be made from the three states of matter mixing with each other.